In this video, we will be talking about IPL treatments. IPL stands for Intense Pulsed Light. For our at-home treatment, we will be using the VISS IPL Intense Pulse Light Hair Removal, Skin Rejuvenation, and Acne Treatment device. Hi, my name is Susie and welcome to Our Beauty Journey, the YouTube channel that inspires you to achieve your beauty goals. So what's your beauty goal? Comment down below and share with our community. Last week, we talked about LED, light emitting diode. Today, we will be talking about another light treatment or another photofacial treatment called IPL, Intense Pulse Light, which also uses light as its energy source. So what's the difference between LED and IPL? IPL is a broad spectrum light. Broad spectrum light bulbs are described as being a pure white light. On the other hand, LED, as we've talked about last time, uses specific wavelengths or colors depending on your skincare condition. As the names imply, IPL photofacial delivers a very high energy onto the skin, whereas LED light therapy uses a lower level of energy. Also, light is absorbed more deeply during an IPL treatment. On the other hand, LED is considered a gentler treatment. Photofacial IPL uses a broad spectrum of light, so it can treat a larger area of the skin than LED light therapy. Because IPL is a stronger therapy, it can cause more discomfort and redness than LED. In fact, LED is considered as soothing as a massage. Results are typically achieved with IPL therapy in a shorter period of time and with fewer treatments than LED light therapy. Unlike an IPL photofacial, LED therapy carries no risk of burning the skin. LED is best for sensitive skin. So how does IPL treatment work? IPL, or Intense Pulse Light, is a skincare treatment that is similar to a laser treatment. However, a laser focuses just one wavelength of light at your skin, while IPL releases light of many wavelengths, just like a photo flash. The light from IPL is more scattered and less focused than laser. IPL penetrates down to the dermis, which is the second layer of your skin, without harming the epidermis, which is the top layer, so it causes less damage to your skin. With this VISS IPL Hair Removal, Skin Rejuvenation, and Acne Treatment device, the light is filtered into the spectrum that we need depending on the goal that we would like to accomplish. And this is done by using separate cartridges. We have one for acne, for skin rejuvenation, and for hair removal. A handheld device, such as this, is passed through the skin, delivering pulses of broad spectrum light to the deep layers of the skin. You can think of it like a blinking flashlight, sending out scattered wavelengths of light, making an IPL very targeted for specific problem areas or skin concerns. Let's talk about using the acne cartridge first. See, it's bluish in color. Acne treatment with the IPL acne cartridge reduces the blood supply to the sebaceous gland, which slows down production of oil sebum and destroys acne bacteria that blocks the pores of the skin. After acne treatment, moisturize your skin with skincare products or apply acne ointment. Treat the desired area once or twice a week, and you will notice that acne will get better even at the very first treatment. Progressive improvements can be different on each person's acne type. When the acne treatment has been completed, stop using the IPL device. At this point, you don't need to use the device every week. Just use it when pimples or acne appear. Now, let's talk about the Skin Rejuvenation cartridge. As you can see, it's yellowish in color. The Photo Rejuvenation cartridge is effective against sun-damaged skin, age spots, rosacea, enlarged pores, some mild wrinkling, and fine lines. This process works by targeting damaged cells and jump-starting the body's self-repairing mechanisms. So when using the IPL device, pigment cells absorb the light energy, which is converted into heat. The heat then destroys the unwanted pigment to clear up skin discolorations when using the Skin Rejuvenation cartridge. This cartridge also effectively encourages the production of collagen, as we know, a natural protein that fills in wrinkles. So it makes the skin smooth and supple. This can also treat other vascular or pigmented lesions, such as broken capillaries and spider veins. So after the IPL Skin Rejuvenation treatment, let's hydrate our skin using our Dermal Wine Collagen Essence Mask. So earlier, we did our at-home facial protocol, which includes facial steaming, extractions, microdermabrasion, my favorite, and of course microneedling using our whitening serum. Then we use the IPL acne treatment to target some of my small pimples and soon to be acne. And then we utilized the Photofacial Skin Rejuvenation IPL cartridge for the rest of our face and the neck. We had our face rest for a little bit. We washed off whatever serum that we have on our face, and then we treated it with the Photofacial Rejuvenation IPL cartridge. And now for the most popular usage of an at-home IPL device, which is hair removal. The VISS IPL Hair Removal cartridge assists in hair reduction and hair regrowth prevention. When using the IPL device, intense pulse light is absorbed by a variety of structures and colored compounds like the melanin in the hair and heats them to destruction. It heats up the hair follicle to prevent the hair from growing again when using the hair removal cartridge. So how is this done? Clean the treatment area and shave the hairs first. That is very important. If hairs remain on the skin, hairs are burned and might cause pain and skin troubles. You don't need to apply IPL gel for hair removal. The VISS IPL Hair Removal cartridge can treat up to 220 hairs every 3.5 seconds. So I've already treated my legs and thighs with this IPL device. I still have very few fine hairs on my arms. So for the purpose of demonstration, we'll just use the small hairs here to demonstrate how the IPL hair removal device works. So here's the hair on my arm. First, we have to shave it. So I put some water on the shaver and then you just shave the hair off. So let's put the cartridge. It is the hair removal cartridge. There's a name at the back so you can easily identify it. Then you can't go wrong. There are 3 holes here and 2 holes there. So there's really no way to flip it. Okay, and then the main power button is here. Power for the applicator over here. And there are 8 intensities. So place the applicator on the area that you want the hair to be removed. This is the glasses that came along with the device. Let's use it. Put it on the area. I'd close my eyes as well. And there you go. And then it charges. Wait for it to charge. It takes about 3.5 seconds. When the light is on, the light is full over here. Then just overlap a little bit. I would close my eyes again. And there you go. Wait for it to charge. Overlap. Close your eyes. Click. Wait for it to charge. There you go. Overlap. Close your eyes. Click. And overlap a little bit on the areas. So that should be your first session. So in the event that you were not able to shave all of the hair, when you use the device, you'll see that whatever hair is on your skin will be curled up, burnt, it would smell burnt. It really doesn't hurt, well, depending on the level that you set the machine on. That happens, just shave it off and then we'll be fine. So when you're done with the IPL hair removal treatment, always make sure that you moisturize because the IPL tends to dry out the skin. So always moisturize after the IPL treatment. And do not expose your skin to the sun. Of course, always use sunscreen whenever you go out. That's always been the rule of thumb. Most IPL user manuals reference the Fitzpatrick Skin Tone Scale when advising whether or not you would be suitable for an IPL at-home hair removal. If you have light skin, tones 1 to 4, with dark hair, you're the ideal candidate for IPL. Although some newer designs of IPL cater to those with darker skin, not many of them are suitable for dark skin. IPL works best if there is a lot of contrast between the hair and the skin. Thus, dark hair and very light skin is the best combination. There are a few machines that are designed to work on darker skin types. However, it's generally not recommended as dark skin tends to get burnt more easily due to the amount of melanin present in the skin. Moreover, IPL generally does not work on red, gray, or blonde hair. So how does the treatment feel? While most people are fine with the light pulses, the treatment could sting a little. It might feel that someone is snapping a rubber band on your skin. It feels like the heat is the one that's snapping on your skin, like a rubber band. So for the 3 treatments, acne, skin rejuvenation, and hair removal, the length of the treatment depends on the area that is being treated. It was pretty quick for the acne treatment, about 5 to 10 minutes. For the skin rejuvenation treatment, it was quite quick as well. Once we've covered the entire face and neck, it took us about 10 to 15 minutes. It was the collagen essence mask that took 15 to 20 minutes, but that was really relaxing. So that's a good end to the IPL facial rejuvenation treatment. And as for hair removal, again, it depends on the area being treated. If you're treating both your entire legs and thigh, it may take a few hours. So for one treatment, I will just focus on one area, like the lower legs first, and then the thigh area on your next session. If you're asking, I have not completely removed the hairs on my thighs because it's really very thin and you really don't notice it. So as much as I can, I would use IPL to just cover the areas where I've shaved. If you think about it, it's just the thigh, but it's actually a large area. So overlapping it, it does take some time. So here are the pros and cons of using IPL. Pros: the treatment works well to fade lines and age spots and get rid of unwanted hair. The sessions are quicker than with other methods. The light doesn't damage the top layer of your skin. The cons: you need to have several treatments to get the results that you want. You can use IPL anywhere in your body, but it may not work on uneven areas. It isn't recommended for people who tend to get thick, raised keloid scars or those who have darker skin tones. IPL does not work very well on dark skin or light hair. So is it worth it? An IPL hair removal session in a salon can cost anywhere from $40. This is a Groupon sale with huge discounts, up to $550 per session if you're going to a dermatologist's office. And that's just for one session. Normally, you would need at least 10 sessions to get the results that you want, to fully remove the hair in one area. On the other hand, at-home IPL devices use simplified technology with less power than professional laser machines, making it harder for us to damage our skin and cause irritation and pain. Skin tone sensors, as well as skin contact systems, are used to protect your skin. While it all sounds well, it also means that you would need to use your at-home device more often than you would need to go to a salon. The advised time is every 2 weeks until after about 3 months. This is when your hair generally starts growing a little slower and you can space out sessions more if you need to. Treatment times vary and are very individual. The stereotypical answer that manufacturers give is that that it takes about 3 months for IPL At-Home Hair Removal Treatment to start working. However, that is not simply the case for most people. Usually, you will start to see permanent results after 3 months. But that only means that some of your hairs are gone, but not all. As I've mentioned, I still have a few hairs that are coming out of my legs, but it's not bothersome at all. The longer you stick with IPL, the less you will need to shave and trim your hair in between sessions. You will notice that you will gradually be able to go longer and longer without shaving. And after about a year, you should be able to go without shaving for a month and not see any regrowth. For me, I can't even remember the last time I shaved. But like I've mentioned, there are a few, very few hairs that still grow on my legs. But I do love the results. And I would recommend this IPL device to anyone who would ask. I hope you like this video. So join me in our community, our family of skincare junkies and beauty enthusiasts to inspire you in achieving your beauty goals. And I will see you in the next video.